Hi busy bumblebees, this is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Today we're going to make a cute hedgehog. For this activity you will need a marker, an empty styrofoam container, lacing beads. As an alternative you can use Fruit Loops, toothpicks, and when we're done we'll open the Kinder Egg. Let's start drawing our hedgehog. Parents can draw and kids can trace.
It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules.
Now draw 20 dots to mark the spots for the quills.
It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out.
Let's use another color to circle the dots.
And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Pick up the toothpick with your thumb and index finger. Now use your muscles and push on the toothpick until it goes through.
Mary so, Mary so, Mary so, why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb.
You can use your fingers to pick up the beads and place them on the toothpick. You can make the activity harder by using a straw. Fold it in half and use it as tongs to pick up your lacing beads or your cereal. Let's follow the colors together. Put on 5 blue.
It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play.
Next is 4 green.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so
Can you do 4 orange?
but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Now let's do 4 purple.
Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb,
Let's do 2 yellow.
you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did.
And finally 1 red.
Mary had a little
Let's
lamb,
close your container. Twist and pull out your toothpick, but be very careful. Make sure the bead stays on the dot.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day.
Great job, guys! Now let's collect all your beads or cereal back into the bowl. You can use your fingers or your straw. Go!
Children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently.
Great job, guys! Now it's time for Kinder Egg.
Up here. Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary so, Mary so. Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
It's a beautiful ring, and it has a sticker of Elsa from Frozen.
Mary had a little lamb.
Thanks for playing with me today. I'll see you next time.
Mary
Bye!
had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow.